Squad, what is good, y'all, man? I'd like to welcome y'all for tuning in back to the channel, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in, kicking it with your boy. Today we got a Lacoste haul. Well, not like a haul. We finna go in the store and see how, you know how we do. Anything we like, we cop. But I did go crazy online the other night in Lacoste, bro. So I wanted to come over here to this factory store and see what all they had. Once again, we in Grand Prairie outlets in Grand Prairie, Texas, man. We're finna go in here and see what all they have. But before we get into this video, man, let me get all y'all to go crazy once again on that like button, the subscriptions, all that good stuff, man. Let's go on up this year, take where we need to go. So, man, let's go ahead and get into this video, man. I hope they got some dope stuff in here, because we definitely finna cop. Like I say, the other night online, I went crazy at Lacoste, man. Whole lot of dope stuff. I'm gonna definitely bring y'all that video, and let's go ahead and see what we can find, man.
call you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna